Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Debian 12 operating systems. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. First open any web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Then click on download. Then select Linux. Scroll down. Then select the Debian. See here, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Debian 12, 11, 10. Okay. Once you selected, see these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL. So copy this first one. It is going to install CA and call certificates. Open terminal. Paste it. Hit enter. See, both are already installed. Okay, now install this pgdg, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now import the signing key. Copy this entire line, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now create the repository configuration file. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. All are up to date. Now install the PostgreSQL. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. Control A. If you don't give any version, it will install the latest one. If you want to install 16, give -16. If you want to install 15, give -15. So I want to install latest one, so hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay. See here, the version is 17. Type Y for confirmation, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and also see here some of the default parameters. See, this is a data directory. Max connection limit by default is set 100, shared buffer to 128 megabytes, and time lapse and other options. Okay. So control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL. First verify the PostgreSQL server service status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Control sudo su-postgres esql. See here the version 17.4. It is the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.4 on Debian. Q to quit, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. First verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having all privileges. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Provide the password. Alter role, which means we have successfully set. Now verify list of databases /shell. See, we have these 3 databases which are comes with PostgreSQL installation. You can also get the list of the database information by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. To switch to this database, use the command \c or connect. Either is fine. Then provide the database name. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Let us verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table in this database and insert some data into that table. Create table. Now verify. See, we have created a table and its owner name is Postgres and its schema name is public. Insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create a user in PostgreSQL Server. As I told you, we have only one user. Let us create a user. Create user. Now verify again. See, we have created a user. Now exit from the PostgreSQL and connect PostgreSQL with this new user. \q is the command to exit from the PostgreSQL server. Now give the PSQL -u, username is James -h localhost -d. We have to provide the database. Then hit enter. Then provide the password of this James user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select or connected user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected with the user James. Now exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL service Debian operating systems. We can't start or stop with Postgres user. So exit from this user. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL is running. Control A. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, PostgreSQL is inactive or dead. You to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Exit from this user again. Sudo. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is active and running. You to quit. Control A. Now restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL by using GUI tools, pgadmin and dpwork. Those two are the most popular tools. But we have other tools also. So to install pgadmin, go to pgadmin.org. See here, pgadmin is the most popular and feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL. So click on download, scroll down. For Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems, we have to click on this apt, then it will populate the list of the commands. See, pgadmin can be installed on any one of these Debian operating systems. If you scroll down, see here we have the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the pgadmin 4 on Debian operating systems. Now the other tool is dpwork. dbwork.io. See here, dbwork community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family and more. See here we have two versions, dbwork community and dbwork pro. dbwork community is open source session, so no need to pay anything. Click on download. Then we have to download this Debian package for the Debian operating systems. Then we have to install. Okay. For these two tools, you can search for my YouTube channel, how to install dbwork or pgadmin 4 on Debian 12 operating systems. Then install it. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Debian 12 operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.